Hello friends, today I am going to teach you carbohydrates. In this lecture we have to cover introduction of carbohydrates and classification of carbohydrates. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now coming to carbohydrates. What do you mean by carbohydrates? What is the basic definition of carbohydrates? So carbohydrates are the polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketone and their derivatives. Is called carbohydrates. The general or basic formula of carbohydrate is CnH2ON. Now coming to the classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified into two major groups, that is sugar and non-sugar. On the basis of sugar molecules, carbohydrates are classified into monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides. On the basis of non-sugar molecules, carbohydrates are classified into only polysaccharides. Now coming to the first class of sugar molecules, that is monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are also known as simple sugar and it cannot be hydrolyzed into simple form. The general or basic formula of monosaccharide is CnH2ON. Now the second class of sugar molecules, that is disaccharides. Carbohydrate which produce two molecules of same or different monosaccharides unit on hydrolysis. The general formula of disaccharide is CnH2ON-1. There are some examples of disaccharides, that is lactose, sucrose, maltose. Now the third and basic class of sugar molecules, that is oligosaccharides. Carbohydrate which yield 2 to 10 monosaccharides unit on hydrolysis is called oligosaccharide. Example, maltodextrose. Now coming to the non-sugar molecules. On the basis of non-sugar molecules, carbohydrates are classified as polysaccharides. Now what do you mean by polysaccharides? Long chain of monosaccharide joined together by using glycosidic linkage and they yield more than 10 molecules of monosaccharides on hydrolysis is called polysaccharides. The general or basic formula of polysaccharide is C6H10O5. There are two classes of polysaccharides, homopolysaccharides, heteropolysaccharides. Now what do you mean by homopolysaccharides? In homopolysaccharides, single type of monosaccharide component is present. Example है starch, cellulose. Heteropolysaccharides. In heteropolysaccharides, two type of monosaccharide component is present. Example mucopolysaccharides, heparin and murin. In this way, we have to cover the basic definition of carbohydrates and the overall classification of carbohydrates.